This is a complete step-by-step video about Hollyland Lark A1 microphone. In this video, I'm going to cover every topic. So first, let's see the setup. If you want to turn on your Hollyland microphone, you just take that from dock and long press the transmitter. Now it's turned on. Same goes for second microphone. And this is the receiver. For now I am using USB-C receiver. In case if you have the Lightning model iPhone, you just buy this connector, USB-C to Lightning connector. I will give every product link, Amazon link in the description. You can buy that easily. You just take this and connect like this and directly plug it on your Lightning model iPhone like this. Directly plug it and start record your video. The audio. It's working really fine. I tested everything. So in this case, I'm going to connect this on my iPad. You can connect the Hollyland microphone with your Android phone, iPhone, even Lightning model iPhone, iPad, MacBook, PC, everywhere. You can connect this receiver on any device. And the main thing is you don't need to pair your microphone because it's already paired from the factory. If you take the microphone from dock, it will start going to work. You just take the receiver and connect this on your device. For me, it's iPad. Once you connect it, you can see the blue USB like thing and the light will blink. Okay, it's connected. When you see the blue light blinks, it means it's connected. Now to turn on noise cancellation, you just single time press this button. Then the blue light goes to green. It means noise cancellation enabled. If you want to turn off this, again press. It goes back to normal mode. In case if you want to manually pair for any reason, you need to connect your receiver to your device and turn off your microphone. You need to long press and it will be turned off. Then long press until you see the light blinking. Keep hold. Okay, if you see the blink, it's connected. Same goes for here. Here you need to long press until you see the blink. Usually on the receiver it takes 6 seconds. It's already paired, that's why it haven't blinked. Now you need to install the Holly Audio app on your device. It will available on Play Store and App Store. For your convenience, I just remove this and I'm going to connect this on my Lightning iPhone to show you better. Now just install this Holly Audio app and open the app. Then it will automatically fetch your microphone. Yeah. So here you can see Lark A1 and mic 1, mic 2. Mic 1 having 74% of battery and mic 2 75%. And this is noise cancellation option. If you turn on this, we have 3 levels of noise cancellation: low, medium and high. If you use these microphone for singing or to record your voiceover channels, you can set this to low and start record. For other indoor and outdoor activities, I suggest everyone to set to medium. You can also choose the high while recording on the outdoor. If there is a rain or something like that in harsh environment, you can use the high. I usually go with medium. And this is gain. I usually set this to maximum, and mono and stereo. If you want to interview someone, you can set this to stereo. Otherwise I go with mono. And you can mute the microphone from the app. Personally I don't use this feature. And EQ adjustment, so it's different settings. You can set this to low and try record your voice, and if you feel okay, you can record like that, bright. I usually set this to default equalization and reverb adjustment. This is also change something on your voice. I don't use this. If you want to know which microphone is number 1 and number 2, you need to turn on the mic identification. Then immediately you can see violet color and yellow color. Violet color indicates microphone 1 and yellow color indicates microphone 2. To turn on this, you need to remove both microphone from dock and make sure it's turned on and turn on this option or turn off. and set this to never. And if you want to turn off the light, you don't want the light, just turn this off, but still microphone is working. So this is about the app. Now let's see how to record the audio only using the microphone. After you connected, you don't need to install this app necessarily. It doesn't need. If you want to turn on noise cancellation, you can turn on, turn off using this mic or receiver. So there is no need. In case if you want to change the settings, you can install this to record. But other than that, to record your voice, there is no need of that app. You just open the voice memo app and just hit record. Here you can see the straight line. It indicates noise cancellation is turned on. It means the iPhone is using the microphone, Lark A1 microphone for audio. And this is testing. And just save, and that's it. The iPhone is using the microphone, Lark A1 microphone. You can clearly see there is no background noise, so it's working. And in case if you want to record both video and audio by using the same device, let's say using the iPhone means, in default camera app there is no option. We need to install one free app. Head to App Store and just type Blackmagic Camera. For iOS devices it's Blackmagic Camera, this app. On Android phones you need to install Open Camera. Tick allow for all these three except location, because location we don't need to. And continue, and then you need to click settings. Scroll down here. Under audio you can see this option, audio source. Click wireless, and that's it, it's done. Switch to camera and start record the video. And this is testing 2. I hope this will work. This iPhone will record my using my microphone audio. Let's see. Stop. Switch to media. Open this. And this is testing 2. I hope this will work. This iPhone will record it's working. Using my. You can clearly see. Now click this arrow and save video. This will save the recorded video to Photos app. And again click and save to files and save. This will directly save the video into Files app. It's done. Okay, let's see how to charge this device. It's actually pretty easy. We don't need to charge the receiver. There is no battery in it. So put this aside. If you have the charging case, so it's a great option. So in case if you have the charging case, you can charge the charging case and then you can charge your device portably. For now I'm only having charging dock, but this will also pretty good. There is no issue with this. So what you have to do is just take your microphone and then you can see a blue film when you buy this as new. You just take the film and here also you can see the gold points. Just connect and connect. You don't need to turn on or turn off your microphone. You just put that, then it will automatically turns on when we connect the charger. Take the USB-C charger. You can use any brand, it doesn't matter. They also give the USB-C charging cable. You can also use that and connect this, and that's it. When you see the red light, it indicates it's charging. In this case it's red color. It indicates the microphone's charge is below 94%. From 95 to 100% you can see the green color indication light. It's on the charging condition. If we remove and use the microphone, if you see the blue color or green color, it means your microphone charging percentage is 7 to 100%. If you see the red color, it's below 6%. If you turn on the noise cancellation, it will convert it into green. So that's why blue or green. And the very interesting thing about the microphone is you don't need to turn off this microphone ever. It's not necessary. Just remove, use the microphone and put it back. When you put it back, it goes to standby mode automatically. And then if you want to charge that, and after you see the full charge, remove. I tested this thing. If you turn off the microphone and turn on again, like everyday use, it will reduce some percentage of battery, But if you don't turn off this, you just use the microphone and put it on the dock, then use like this, remove, use, charge, and it gives better battery backup than you turn off the device. And if you record the microphone on the outdoor like windy place, you need to use this windshield over that. So you need to place here just like that, and we have two windshields and the pouch. We can put everything on this pouch and the manual. Another thing I want to mention is this is the microphone, and the important thing I want to tell you is when you are connect this microphone on your collar, you need to connect like this. This microphone open is facing towards up. If you connect like this, it will not work fine. I mean, the recording quality may gets reduced. So you need to connect like this. Like this, you need to connect on your collar. So this is about everything on Lark A1 microphone. And if you want to know more videos about Hollyland Lark A1 like troubleshooting, you need to watch this playlist.